Hi, so today we are going to play a game on this website called Science Kids. It's a very fun interactive website. So we are going to go over and we're going to hover over this Games tab and we're going to click on it. And then we're going to scroll all the way down and we're going to play this Food Chains game. So you're going to click on Food Chains and then you're going to click all the way down. Next, you'll see this blue box here, and we're going to go down and click OK. Now the directions are up here in this other blue box, and so it says spot and click on 8 different living things in this woodland habitat. And so there's a little camera that pops up there. We're going to click. We're going to the snail, this worm, the squirrel, the fox, the bird, the tree, and this caterpillar. Now once we're all done, it tells us we did a good job, and so we go down and we click OK. Now it says, can you name the living things that you have collected? Click on each magnifying glass to find out more. So I'm not going to click over every single animal, but if I wasn't sure what this was, I would click on the magnifying glass to the right, and it tells me it's a snail, and it gives me a description of where it lives, what it eats, what eats it, and fun facts about them. So once I'm done with that, I hit close, and I go over and I click this arrow up here, and now it says click sorter 1. Can you drag the living things into the right spaces to make a food web? So sorter 1 is down here, so we click on that, and it gives us this right here. And so we're going to start dragging each animal to where we think it would be on the food web. So I think the owl would go up here, the fox would go here, the bird would go here, the tree would go here, all the bugs would go here, and the squirrel would go down here. Now that we're all done, we hit OK, and then it says that why not try completing the key in sorter 2. So we hit OK, and we go to sorter 2. Now it says drag 4 of the animals into the right spaces by answering the questions in the key. So we're only going to do the animals that are highlighted on this right section over here. And so it asks us, does it fly? So we have to guess which out of these animals would fly, and so we would say the bird, and we go to yes. Now, does it have legs? So a snail and a worm do not have legs, so it only has to be the fox. And now it says, does it have a shell? Well, a worm does not have a shell, so a snail does, so we go over to the yes box, and we take that worm to the last box. It says, well done, you have now completed both sorting activities. So we hit OK, we go to spotter, and it is back to the beginning. And after you're done, you can X out and you're done. Thank you.